Hello everyone, hope you all fine. Today I Lakshmi Negi again with you to explain the rest questions of exercise 12.2. Till question number 6th I have explained in my previous video. Today I will explain you after question number 7th. I am going to read the question number 7th. You can see that a kite is in the shape of square with the diagonal 32 centimeter and an isosceles triangle. This is the isosceles triangle with base is 8 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter and the rest two sides are of 6 centimeter. It is given in the question. Now we have to find out. You can see that this kite is made up of three type of papers. This is the upper one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. And we have to find out the area of each color paper. So see, first what we will do, we will find out the area of these three triangles. This first one, and this is the second one, and this is the last third one. We will find out the area of these three. But you can see that since it is in the shape of square, and we know that the property of square is the diagonals are equal and bisect each other at 90 degrees. So for finding the upper triangle, the blue one, we can directly use half base into height, because you can see that we have given base also and we have given height also. And the second triangle, the area of first triangle and second triangle will be same, because you can see that these are identical triangles. And for finding the area of the third part, this one, you can see that we have given all the three sides. This one 6 all and the rest 2 also. So we will apply the Heron's formula in this triangle and then we will find out the area. As I told you in the explanation of question, you can see that ABCD is a square. You can see that it is written ABCD is a square and the diagonals will be bisecting each other at 90 degree. This one, this diagonal and this diagonal. So you can see that they have written also that diagonals of the square are bisecting each other at 90 degree. So you can see that the base of the first triangle will be 32 and the height will be 16. Half of 32, it will be 16. So for finding the area of the first triangle, we will directly apply half base into height. Base is 32 and height is 16 centimeter. Therefore the area of the first triangle will be 256. But if you have to find out the area of the second triangle, so these are identical triangle, therefore it will also same. So both the triangles having the same area. Now for finding the third part, as I told you that this third part we can apply the Heron's formula, because you can see that we have given all three sides. So for applying Heron's formula, first we will find out the semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C upon 2. It is 6 plus 6 plus 8 upon 2. It is 10. Now for area of the triangle, we will apply the Heron's formula S into S minus A under root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. And we will put all the values and we will find out the value. So we can see that at the last we get the area of the third part, which is 17.92. Now moving to the next question. I am going to read the next question. You can see that we have given a floral design here. And you can see that these figures are made by several triangles. You can see that for one petal, they have used the two triangles, this one and this one. These two are identical triangles but having different colors. Now we have to find out the area. I will read the question. You can see that the floral design of the floor made up of the 16 tiles. You can see that for one petal, we have used 2 tiles. So there are total 16 tiles are there. Now, and you can see that the dimensions of each triangle is given 9 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 35 centimeter. And the cost of polishing we have to find out. So for that, first we have to find out the area of the all 16 triangles. And for that, first we have to find out the area of first triangle. Then we will multiply it by 16. And whatever the area will come, we will multiply it by 0.50 rupees and we will get the final answer. Now you can see that for finding the area of the first triangular tile, A is 35, B is 28 and C is 9. So first we will find out the semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C upon 2, that is coming 36. Now area of one triangular tile is equal to under root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. You will substitute all the values and then you will factorize it, and finally we will get the answer, which is coming, it is coming 88.2 centimeter. Now we have to find out the area of the 16 such tiles. So we will multiply it by 16 and we will get the final answer, which is 88.2. But you can see that For finding the area of the cost of polishing, we will multiply it by cost also. The area of 16 tile, we will multiply it by 16. For finding the polishing, we will multiply it by 0.50 rupees, and this is the final answer. Now moving to the next question. This is the last question and very important question of this exercise, in which you have given that the field is in the shape of trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 and 10 and the non-parallel sides are 14 and 13, and you have to find out the area of the field. So what you will do? First you will make the figure of the trapezium. You can see that I have made the figure for you, in which I have made a trapezium. In this trapezium, you can see that there are two parallel sides, which is 10 centimeter and 25 centimeter, and there are non-parallel sides which are 13 centimeter and 14 centimeter. Now what we will do? We will do a construction, and in this construction we will draw a line which is parallel to AD. The line will be ABD. BE, we can give this name as BE. Now you can see that if you will see this figure, you can easily find out that this is a parallelogram, because this is parallel to this and this is parallel to this. So we can find out that the opposite sides are equal, therefore this will also 10 centimeter, and this is 13 centimeter, this will also 13 meter. Okay, and since this is 10 meter from here to here and this total length is 25, so from EC will be 25 minus 10, so it will be 15 centimeter. I will show you. You can see in this figure the same process we have followed in this figure also. Now we have drawn a perpendicular also. If you will see this line carefully, this will be perpendicular, or you can say that this is the distance of triangle CFB and the trapezium ABCD also. And for finding the area of trapezium, you should keep it in your mind that the area of the trapezium is 1/2 into height into sum of parallel side A plus B. Since we have parallel sides but only we are not having the height, so we are doing such construction only for getting the height. So you can see that if you will see this figure carefully, you will see that this is 13 centimeter. So first we will find out the area of CFB. So we will apply the Heron's formula, and you can see that we have applied the Heron's formula for that. And first semi-perimeter, then area. So BCF, the area of BCF is 84 centimeter, you can see that. But you can find out the area of the same triangle with the another formula also, which is half base into height. But these two area will be similar to each other. So we will make both the areas equal. You can see that we have made both the areas equal. And finally we get the height CG, which is 11.2 meter. Now we can easily find out the area of the trapezium, because I have told you earlier also, the area of trapezium is 1/2 into sum of parallel sides and distance. We are having the parallel side which is 25 and 10, and height we have find out right now, which is 11.2. And we add all these and we have solved it. So finally we get the answer 196 meter square is the answer. I want to show you the key points are also of the Heron's formula. You can see that these are the key points of this chapter. Heron's formula. You can see it step by step. Even you can take the screenshot of this, in which we have find out the perimeter of most of the figures, area of the figures, and the diagonal length of the diagonals for the square, rectangle, equilateral triangle, and the right angle triangle, and the general formula for any scalene triangle. You can see that. And finally we will find out the area of the triangle with the help of Heron's formula. You can see that. And you can see that the area of the parallelogram also, since it is base into height also. And we have given so many formulas, and you can see that we have given some questions also. You can solve these questions yourself. This is the A part and this is the B part. There are so many questions. You can see the questions from this also. And these are the questions, extra questions, which are based on the Heron's formula. You can see all the figures. These are similar to the Heron's formula, the questions which are similar to the exercise in Heron's formula, but there are some extra questions. You will see some difficulty level also in this. And these are the answer key also, you can see here. These are the answer key. Okay, thank you very much.